This short video tutorial from Thea Pharmaceuticals will help you use your Taylor's Duo or ABAK dry eye drops. Don't forget to read the leaflet inside the box, and remember that Taylor's Duo and ABAK dry eye drops are okay to use with contact lenses. Don't keep them any longer than 3 months after you've opened them, and remember to wash your hands and dry them before you start. When you first open a new bottle, you will need to squeeze it a few times to make it ready to use. There are several ways to apply your eye drops. Most of them involve tilting your head back, or you can lie down if you wish. We're going to show you 2 of the easiest methods. Tilt your head back, looking up at the ceiling. Using your finger, gently pull down your lower eyelid, making a pocket. With your other hand, hold the bottle up vertically just a couple of centimeters from your eye and squeeze gently. Alternatively, Thea's unique bottles allow you to do it this way. Tilt your head back and look up at the ceiling. Rest the neck of the bottle on the bridge of your nose. Gently pull down your lower lid to make a pocket and squeeze gently. However you apply your eye drops, do not let the tip of the bottle touch either your eye or your eyelids. And always remember to replace the lid and fasten securely. For more advice or support, ask your pharmacist or your optometrist, or visit our website, yourEyeHealth.co.uk.